Hi there, it's Andy again at Location, and if you're searching for that quintessentially English chocolate box cottage in the heart of rural living, then boy, are you in for a treat. Let me show you why. Imagine fishing on your very own riverbank on a summer's morning, or perhaps gathering the family together for a celebratory reunion in your very own woodland setting. The ground adorned in a carpet of snowdrops and narcissus, because that's exactly what's on offer with this estate village home in the popular Suffolk setting of Fakenham Magna. Believed to date back to 1830, this picture postcard perfect Grade 2 listed Georgian brick and flint cottage sits in an enviable plot with fishing rights on the River Blackbourne upon which its woodland garden borders. And as if we haven't spoilt you enough with that river frontage, the woodland setting and that dreamy chocolate box cottage interior, wait until you see the formal gardens, because that's where this property really comes into its own. Outside there's a separate office, work from home and hobbies building with power and light connected. It also houses the floor standing central heating boiler. And the formal garden placed host to a variety of outbuildings, including a log cabin which makes for a perfect guesthouse retreat, with an open plan living kitchen bedroom area, cooking facilities and an ensuite shower room. There are several vegetable plots and different seating areas, allowing you to follow the sun around the garden throughout the day. There's also a garage, potting shed, workshop, former Avery's building and timber shed log store, which could all lend themselves to a multitude of differing uses. A pathway adorned with wildflowers leads to that idyllic woodland garden which lies on the River Blackbourne and provides the perfect backdrop for this idyllic rural home. I do hope you've enjoyed the latest property tour here in Fakenham Magna. If you have a home you'd like showcased in this way, then do reach out to myself and the team 01842 818688. Thank you for watching.